Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use Instagram profile QR. If you're using Instagram and you want to use your Instagram profile QR code, so let's see how we can do that. You just have to simply open your Instagram app, and here just go to your profile option in the bottom right, and from here you just have to simply tap on this share profile option, and you'll get your profile's QR code. Now you can easily share this to other persons to join you on Instagram. You can also use this download option to save this QR code on your phone, or you can also select the share profile to get see your different share option here. Or you have the copy link option. You just have to tap on this copy link. Your profile link will be copied. Now you can easily paste it anywhere in your Facebook, WhatsApp, or it might be your messages app, or you can also customize your QR code here. Just there you have selected the color, so you can change your color by tapping on an empty place here, so it will change the background color. Or you can also tap on this color option. It will go to your emoji section here, and you just have to simply tap on an emoji, and you have to select any emoji from here, and the color of your background will be changed to that emoji. So you can also select any emoji which you want to set. And once you have done, just tap on this download option and it will be saved to your phone. Or you can also tap on this emoji option again. It will be changed to selfie section. You just have to tap on this retake option and it will retake your selfie, and your selfie will be saved here. Or you can also select this selfie again. It will save to an image. You can also choose any image for a background here. So let's say I'm going to select this one. So it will be saved as a background, or you can also tap on image again. It will go to color section. So once you have done, just tap on this download option. It will be saved. If you want to scan any other's profile QR code, just tap on the scan option here in the top right, and your camera will be accessed, and now you can easily scan anyone's QR code. So in this way you can easily use your Instagram profile QR code. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.